March 1st, only on the Weather Channel.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 26 degrees with snow. Today, snow changing to a wintry mix. High 30. Snow and ice accumulations less than 1 inch. Tonight, wintry mix of precipitation. Low 29. Chance of precipitation 60%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back, everyone. New video into the Weather Channel right now. Snow falling all day long in New York City. Look at that. And there's still more to go. So, yes, certainly looking like a winter wonderland. And good, at least for some areas, that we have enough, the depth of the cold air is deep enough to keep the snow, and you're not dealing with the freezing rain. But some folks trying to make the best of it there on the ice skating rinks.